Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your phone runs Android 8, 0 or later, and has Android Auto installed. This ensures compatibility. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location because the app uses both for pairing and navigation accuracy. Plug in a high-quality USB cable if your car requires wired connection, or make sure your car and phone both support wireless Android Auto. Now, unlock your phone and keep it on the home screen so prompts can appear. This prepares you for the pairing step. You now pair and grant permissions. Open Android Auto and tap through the permission requests. These allow messages, calls, and navigation to function. If using Bluetooth, select your car from the phone's Bluetooth list and confirm pairing codes. If using USB, connect and wait for the car's head unit to detect the phone. Make sure to allow notifications and grant access to contacts so voice commands and caller ID work. Once the phone and car recognize each other, Android Auto will switch to its driving-friendly interface. You finish by testing core functions. Launch maps, play audio, and try a voice command to confirm everything works. If Android Auto fails to appear, restart both the phone and the car's infotainment system because a reboot often clears handshake issues. Make sure to try a different USB cable if wired connection is unstable, and double-check Bluetooth, location, and app permissions. If problems persist, toggle Android Auto off and on in settings, then repeat pairing. This refreshes settings and usually resolves lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.